Nothing speaks Southern more than biscuits and gravy, and today I'm going to show you how to make some great breakfast gravy. This easy breakfast gravy recipe only requires 5 ingredients. To begin, melt a half a cup of butter in a skillet over medium-high heat. Once the butter has melted, add in your flour and stir constantly
to avoid any lumps.
If you prefer your gravy to have sausage in it, then fry some up ahead of time and add it to your gravy once you have finished making it. At this point, what I'm trying to do with the butter-flour mixture is to cook it for a short bit, maybe about a minute or two, until the flour is cooked so that it doesn't have a raw flavor in the end and that it starts turning a little bit brown. Once your butter-flour mixture has finished cooking, then you will add in your 4 cups of milk. Once you've added in your milk, stir continuously. It will start sticking to the bottom of your pan if you don't, and you also want to stir to dissolve any lumps that are in your gravy. If you can't get them all out with a spoon, go ahead and use a whisk. Keep whisking to get out any lumps. Once all the lumps have been removed, you feel free to go back to your spatula. This is such a great breakfast to start your day off with. And if you're needing a biscuit recipe, stay tuned because next week we're going to be posting one. Cook until your gravy has thickened and then let it boil for about 1 minute more. Add in your salt and pepper. Stir until your salt and pepper is combined thoroughly into the gravy. Okay, now all you need is some hot biscuits to pour this gravy over and you're set for a great breakfast. Like this video, please give us a thumbs up. We post new recipes each week, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out.